Hey guys, welcome to Woodzman Adventures. I am Frank. I have something really cool here today from SENA, right here in the box. So we're going to open this up. This is something really cool. It's brand new from SENA. Something I've been wanting for a long time. As you know, if you watch my channel, I am a SENA user. I love SENAs. I use them on everything I have. We have them for our Honda Gold Wing. I ride them on my dual sports, on my Trail 125. Just use them everywhere. They're just great. Also been using the Phantom helmets on the Honda Gold Wing. Absolutely love the Phantom helmets with the mesh intercom, the Harman Kardon sound. Absolutely amazing sound. So we're going to check this out, open it out of the box, and let you know what it is. Okay, so let's get this out of the box. And here it is from SENA. It does come in a bag. Of course, you know it's going to be a helmet. And it is the SENA Outlander. Check it out, guys. So this is all brand new from SENA. SENA's made smart helmets for a long time. They've been making some really nice smart helmets, like the SENA Phantoms that I use. Absolutely amazing. I really, really like the Phantoms for the Gold Wing and the street riding. I've always wanted SENA to make a dual sport helmet. Now they have done it. This is the SENA Outlander dual sport helmet, specifically designed for us riders who ride dual sport or off-road. It doesn't have to be for dual sport. You could use this on your quad. You can use this on your adventure bike, any kind of trail bike. This thing would work on, even it would work for street if you wanted to. The difference is you're going to have the visor on top, but this is a great looking helmet. Now they do offer it in the black. They also offered in this white. Very cool. Now I opted to get the white, and that's because of the heat here in Arizona. I was hoping the white would help just keep it a little cooler than the black would. So super cool. You can see how good looking this helmet is. Of course, it does have the thing over the screen right now. We'll take off, but good looking visor on it. Easy to remove the visor, the shield, all that. Now today we're doing an open box video, kind of showing you the helmet and some of the features. Later I'll be making a review showing everything about the helmet, the app, how all the intercom, all that stuff works. As I said, that will come at a later time. Now, one thing really cool about the SENA Outlander is it does come with the Harman Kardon sound. The speakers and the mic is Harman Kardon, so you're going to get amazingly good sound, crystal clear audio when you're talking back and forth to your buddies. SENA Outlander does come with Mesh 2.0 and 3.0. It also has the Wave intercom. And Wave intercom is really cool because what you do with it is you connect it to your phone. And basically that's how it works. It works through your phone. You have the Wave app. Your buddies across the country anywhere can be on the Wave app and just connect with the Wave, and you can talk like that. So really cool to have the Wave app, but the main thing is the Mesh. Mesh 3.0 is absolutely amazing. We use it, like I said, with our Phantoms, and we use it on group rides. I rode here a while back with 6 people connected. We was on the Phantom helmets, and absolutely I love the sound. It was so good. So we have a Mesh button on it, a Wave button. Back here is a multifunction button, and this is basically to turn on what it has: tail lights, and it has the headlights right here. Now, it's not headlights like you see by to ride, but if you're wanting to dig in your tools, you have a flat, you have something you break down, you want to do some repairs on your bike, it's dark, very cool to have this headlight right there on the front of your helmet to turn on to be able to see by. We'll turn that on here in a little bit and show you that. We also have this joystick on it. It's got like a joystick control, and they done this basically because they know if you're going to be a dual sport rider, adventure rider, you're going to be wearing gloves, and they want something easy to control. You know how it is, and you got gloves on and buttons. It's kind of hard to feel. With this joystick, you can see you just push up or down and go through your selections. As far as vents, we do have a vent on the front right here, raises up and down. We also have a vent. It's kind of hard to see, but there's a vent right up in here, and you slide it forward or backward, and that opens and shuts it. And then, of course, we have the shield. So it does have a real low, I like that. When you set it all the way down, you still have a tiny gap. If you can see that right there, there's a small gap, and it's not click shut. That's really nice because you can let in air. If you get fogged up, you can let in air to clear the fog, or you just want a little bit of air and not have it open. Then you can do that. Or you have these detents right there all the way up. This one, this one, and down to the bottom, and then click shut. So really nice on that. Now, one thing this does offer, it has pin lock, so you can get a pin lock in here. So if you don't know what pin lock does, it's basically a shield that goes on the inside. It leaves a thin layer, and that pin lock, when you have it in there, it makes it where your shield does not fog up. So it's an option you can buy, but you can buy a pin lock put in there. That would be really cool. Now with the SENA Outlander, you do have the voice commands, so you can do voice commands to tell SENA what to do. You can also connect it to your phone, so you can receive phone calls, listen to music, and use the Wave app. The visor is really nice. Looks like it's very easy to come off, so you have a thumb screw on the side, on the top, and one on the back side here. Nice vents up here to let some air flow through. Basically, that is going to help with this thing catching wind if you're out on highway at high speeds. A lot of air should flow through here, come out the exhaust parts right here, and not catch so much air when you're riding on the high speeds. I like that SENA logo right there on top. Okay, so inside here looks like we have the instructions. We have a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. We have a couple foam covers that goes on your microphone, so you have a couple spares if you happen to tear one up or lose one. Okay, so inside the helmet, we have the Harman Kardon speakers right here. Very nice. These are really nice because they have good foam protection around here. We have another one right here. And then, of course, our microphone is going to be right here in the front. You can see it right here. And that's what those covers are for. You can replace those if you want. It does have a chin curtain on here. Very nice looking padding, which is removable, so you can take this, remove this padding and wash it if you need. Also right here, this is our USB-C charging port right there. So I like it that it's USB-C. We can just plug our cable in right there and charge it. So taking our cable out, we'll just go ahead and plug that in so we can see how it lights up. We'll plug this in up here to a USB-A. So you can charge this with a USB-A, a wall charger, car charger, portable power station if you're out, or a little power bank, whatever to charge this thing up. We'll go ahead and plug the USB-C in here to charge. You can see that light right there. Hopefully you can see that. It's red. And now as soon as this gets full charge, that light's going to turn blue saying that we're full charge. Take that back off. Keep it water and dust resistant right there by putting that cover back on. Okay, so as far as turning this on, we do like you do pretty much on any of the SENA units. You hold the back button and this one right here, the center button, going to come on and turn the volume up. When it beeps, we know we're full volume. So now once we get in here, then we have access to the light button here. So if we push this button right here, it says headlight on. You can see that the headlights are on. It's got one on each side. They look pretty good.
Headlight off.
Headlight off. So now if we take this button and we hold it, it's going to turn on the tail light. You can see that tail light strip right across there.
Tail light off.
Tail light off.
Tail light on.
So they give you the option of you can turn on just the headlight, just the tail light, or you can turn on both.
Headlight on.
So now we have on the tail light and the headlight at the same time. Okay, now what I done was I held that button down until it comes up and says phone pairing. Then I'm going to go into my settings on my phone app here, go to Bluetooth, and it should come up here, SENA Outlander right there.
Your headset is paired.
It said your headset is paired, phone connected. So we are ready to go on that part. Now we go into the SENA app. Okay, so now we're here. We're connected in the SENA app. You can rename it. It says SENA Outlander. If you click that little pencil, you can rename it, but we don't need to do that right now. It tells you about the user guide. If you want to use it on here, you can click on that. New firmware update. So let's go ahead and update the firmware. It's going to update. We are 1.0.7 right now. It's going to update it to the latest version, which is 1.0.9. We want it on English. Click update, and we'll download the update. We'll be right back. Okay, we are updated. Click right there. So if you notice, you may not have heard it. So it did say battery level is medium. So it tells you the battery level when you turn it on and turn it off, which is really nice. So you know if you need to charge it. Okay, so right here shows we are now the latest version, 1.0.9. Click OK, and we're done with that. So in here, I'll just run through a few things right now and not go into total detail. But we have the different things like the LED light, and we can turn it off, change the different flashes that it has. And you hit the power button here, it's going to turn it on. Also, we have the mesh intercom, which is definitely what we use. You can turn the mic on or off. You can change the volume of it. So now it said mesh intercom on, open mesh channel 1. So you can just change it onto whatever mesh channel you want. You can also click it on the group and do the group meshing if you want. Very cool. So just that simple to go in here and change everything, the volume, change it all right inside here. The microphone, you can turn the microphone off if you don't want somebody hearing what you're saying. You can turn it off. In here you can hit the speed dial and you can program in speed dials so you can dial and make phone calls from here connected to your phone to people and have them in a speed dial list. And you can see the different SENAs that I have on here. The Phantom, the SENA 60S of my wife's, 30K, just different ones that I have on here. So if we raise this part up from the bottom up, it says shortcuts, mesh. You can change it right there real easy. We're on mesh 3.0. If you want to change that, click on it. You can go to mesh 2.0 because some people may not have updated. And if they're only running 2.0, you can set yours on 2.0 so you can communicate with them. You do have to be on the same channel and the same mesh, which is 3.0 or 2.0. We leave ours on 3. Here we can do the speed dials right there. So if you want to go fast, shortcuts to speed dial somebody, you could raise this up, hit the speed dial that you want, and dial them. So if we click the little 3 dots up here at the top, then we go into the stuff where we can update the firmware, which we already did. We can see the user guide, and then we can click on the device settings. In here, we have different things like master volume, the music balance, whether you want to set the equalizer on to different things like music is what it's on right now, bass boost, voice, treble boost, what you like the sound of. Smart volume control, you can turn that on. So basically what the smart volume control does, if you set it on low, medium, or high, it actually changes the volume on your SENA depending on the environment you're in. So if you're in windy, noisy, or loud noise, it's going to raise that volume on here automatically. So it does have an auto on off, and it basically, if you set this here, turn it on. If you turn that on, then it's going to go to sleep after so much time of no activity. It says 2 minutes right here after being motionless. Now, this SENA does have 20 hours of talk time, which is a bunch. So it's going to be a lot more than just a little SENA comm unit on the side of your helmet because we have room in here for a lot larger battery, so a lot more talk time. Headlight timer, you can set that. Side tone is where when you talk, you basically can hear yourself inside here through your speakers when you talk. And this is our Vox control, so we can set our Vox phone, our Vox sensitivity, which Vox stands for voice operated transmit, and voice command. Everything is right here, the different languages that you can go to, and the voice command list. So this is a list of things that you can tell it. You can say, hey SENA, redial number, hey SENA, phone pairing, hey SENA, play music, hey SENA, stop music, all that stuff right there, or hey Siri. So if you have voice assist, then basically what that is you can wake up your phone on SENA or Google or whatever you're using by using the voice assist, just saying, hey Siri, your phone's going to come up with Siri. I turn that off because sometimes my voice, it thinks that I'm saying, hey Siri, when I'm not. But there we go, guys. That's just a short little bit of the app. Okay, guys, so that is the SENA Outlander. Just a short video here showing you the unboxing. As I said, I will be making more videos later. And as if you know, when I ride, I always mention what I'm wearing, what I'm using. I always use SENA. So there'll be a lot more videos about this SENA. And as I use it, I can tell you a lot more about it, how I think it is, a review of how it works, and when I ride with my buddies, how the connection is. All that type of stuff will be coming in the future. So don't forget, you can get this also in black or the white. You can get it in the different sizes, anywhere from small, medium, large, XL to XXL. Mine is the XXL. I got a big head, I think. Guys, I will post a link below, and I will also put down there the discount code. So check it out. Try the discount code. God bless you all. We'll catch you all in the next venture. Ride on.